Hi viewers, good morning. Uh, Welcome to my channel. Today session we are going to be discuss about that how we can calculate YTD, MTD, QTD sales, and I want to be pass this YTD, QTD, MTD from the slicer, and I want to be update the data accordingly in my cards. So let's go for quickly see that how we can calculate that YTD, MTD, QTD measures and how we can go for create a slicer on top of that. So I'm going to be use the sample supersource data, and here I'm creating new measure. Click on new measure. The measure name I can mention it YTD sales, right? So here I'm using that date functions, time series functions, which is have is total YTD. So here you can see total YTD function. The syntax is expression, we can write it, and dates field and filter year end date. So what is our expression here? I have already calculated total sales. So the total sales measure is holding that sum of sales, right? Comma. And here I want to provide that date field. So directly we can give that what is our date field, or we can go for use that dates in dates YTD. So what's a dates YTD generally do that? It returns a set of dates in the year up to current date. So return a set of dates in the year up to current date. Current date means it may be today or day before. So right, so I can use the dates YTD function and get that what is my date field is order date. So I can go for get that order date. So close this process and close one more thing. So it will give me that exactly. So year starting date to till date sales, current date. Okay, let's go for enter. And this is the YTD sales. Similarly, I can go for create two more measures, the new measure, which is I can go for give it name as QTD sales, right? So same function, total QTD, I use it here. And the expression, I can write it already pre-calculated total sales. The total sales is a measure holding that sum of sales. So comma and dates QTD, I can use it. The dates QTD returns the set of dates in a quarter up to current date, the starting day of the quarter to current date. It will give the set of dates from the starting day of the quarter to till date. So what I can give it, order date here, order date. So let me close this brackets, and you need to check that this is my closing bracket and opening bracket would be here. The automatically selected. When I go for select here, this is opening bracket, this is closing bracket. So we need to close one more. We can easily identify that. Enter. And let me create one more measure. The new measure is MTD for MTD. All right. So MTD sales. So total MTD function is also there, right? Total MTD and total sales, comma, and I can use that dates MTD. The date MCD function can return the set of dates from starting of the month to current date. So let's go for give it order date. Order date. Right. So we have it and close one more bracket. Yeah, all three measures are created. Total MTD, total YTD, total QTD. Let me put these three measures into three different cards first. So I want to take this card here and go with the format I want to do. Let's drag my YTD first. So see, while we are creating, we should be very careful and which table it's falling. See, YTD, MTD, QTD are falling in the department table. So I should maintain them in my orders table, right? So let me go for remove this, sorry, Control X and remove this measure here. I can argue same delete from order as So I can select the order table, right mouse it, new measure, and paste it here. And similar with the QTD. So go for Control X, remove the QTD in this table. Right mouse, delete from model. Yes. Better select order table, right mouse, new measure. So let's paste it here, enter, and similarly MTD sales as well. Copy this calculation, remove the MTD sales here, right mouse on the measure, delete from model. Yes. So select the order table and new measure. So you can paste it. That goes right, done. All right, let me drag my measures into parts. Excuse me. MTD sales, I will drag it. So the total MTD sales is 85.18. This is the MTD sales. Right. So let me format this into general. I want to add effects on the borders on shadow. Okay. So background color, I can put it light. Right. Control C, Control V, right, and Control V one more time, right. So MTD is there. Then I can go with you remove the MTD and drag the QTD, right, and go for remove the MTD, drag the YTD. So these are MTD, QTD, YTD sales. Now, just for the reference, I have created the cards. Now I want to be creating a slicer with MTD, a QTD and YTD. How do you can do that? Just go with the modeling. We have that field parameter. Click on field parameters and period underscore selection. I can take it as, and here we can select that from orders table. I have my measures. Select the QTD. And that measure MTD sales and YTD sales. So do you want to be adjust the order of these values? You can drag and drop it, just drag and drop. Yeah, MTD first, QTD, YTD. All right, let's go for create that. So now you can see that I have created my slice. And we do create it. We have the separate table has been created for it. So that's, you can see the period selection. The table has been created. Now, that's when I selected my YTD. I want to get display the YTD sales. When I select QTD, QTD sales, and I select the MTD from here, MTD sales, I want to display in my card. So let me go for drag a card here. So, and in this card, I can drag my period selection. My period selection. Let's go for C. So the MTD sales is 80.18 matching. Let's go for validation. QTD 287.10, it's matching QTD sales. And YTD, I have the 74557. So same, I want to apply the same format for this card as well. We have the new feature. You can go with the format paint option probably. Just select this and apply to this one as well. Okay, very simple. Same format we want to apply for the size as well. We can select it, format paint and apply in the slice section. So good thing is very easy. So this is the way we can go for create the MTD, QTD, YTD slices, and accordingly we can update. So our cards based on the selection, the values can be get changed. So you may ask me here, why, yeah, here, let me go for YTD sales. So I want to be clear something here why I'm using YTD sales. So this is I'm copying this YTD sales, creating new measure, right? So let me go for YTD sales underscore one. I am giving that. So generally total YTD, I'm taking total sales. Why we are giving this dates YTD over here? What is the reason? So maybe as for syntax, we can go with total YTD sales. Here I can give directly order date. What will be happens? I can take it as order date. All right. Total YTD order date. Let me go for enter it. I want to drag this measure into one card. Let me take a card. Let me take one more card. I want to drag the YTD sales one. So how much we are getting? 745.57. It's matching YTD, right? So it would be similar results we can get it, but when we go for based on scenarios and the options we can go for use it. The better option you can choose it as dates YTD and YTD calculation. But in this scenario, it's getting matching the same values. But the best way, if we have the more than current date to other date values as well, so it will be get aggregated. So when you use that dates YTD, it will stop that until our current date. So that's why I'm been using. Yeah. Just I want to be showing you the difference. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow my channel. And let's catch with a new scenario. Thank you. Bye bye.